Today I will show you how to record your computer screen step by step. If there are people who don't understand my English, I want to apologize for my English, but it's American English. That's why. And now, what you need? You can install a free version of OBS Studio here. And if you run the software, the window will appear here. And what is most important here? You need settings. You have to check the settings here. And output. You can let this default settings like here. But recording path is very important. It means where all your records will be saved here. This is important. This can be default. This can stay default. This can stay default. Okay, this is very important. That means after recording, you have to go to the path here and you will find all the records. We close this. And now, if you don't have this in sources here, you have to push the button plus and you have to add display capture. Display capture in American English, display capture. But I have this and you can make it visible or invisible or invisible. Visible, invisible. Okay, no matter. It's American English. And if you make this, this is visible, but you need this display capture. And scene transitions, you can let the default settings here. And that's all. Now you can push the button start recording and then stop recording. That's it. You can be happy now.